Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest low bun hairstyle ever. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and I'm just going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides. With the remaining hair, we're going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Remove those clips from your side section and we're going to split it in half and wrap the sections around each other to create a twist, and again tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat on the opposite side. So you should be left with 1 braid and 2 twists. So taking that braid, all we're going to do is fold up the ends and then just keep rolling it until you meet the nape of the neck. Hold it in place and then just use as many bobby pins as needed to secure that bun to the head all around the outside of that little bun. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun to make it voluminous. So take hold of one of the twists and drape it to the opposite side of the bun and secure the hand side there with a bobby pin, and also slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist to keep it secure. Now taking the other twist, I'm going to use my fingers just to go behind that first twist, grab the ends and pull it through, and again secure that to the opposite side of the bun with a bobby pin, and then slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist. Wrap those tail ends around a bobby pin and then just tuck them underneath that little bun section. Apply some more texture spray to your twists and then just spend a minute pinching and pulling to make them more voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.